You absolutely need to have a map. And that map needs to work at different levels. They know where the bottlenecks are, where the pain points are. What is missing there is not only the strategic part, but most importantly, is looking at it through the lens of AI and automation. Most businesses think that AI is a tools problem when it's absolutely not. It's a understanding problem. It's a enablement problem. It's a governance problem, and it's a challenge across a multitude of different areas of the business. And that's exactly why we have something called WorkMap. We realize that if you look at AI as a tool, as a digital transformation, you're hiding to nothing because effectively you're trying to fit a round peg into a square hole. Does that make sense? Yes, I think so. It doesn't make sense. You absolutely need to have a map, and that map needs to work at different levels in the business. So our work map works at a strategic level. So that's at board level and senior leadership team, helping the direction and understanding the direction of the business and where it's going. It also works with the people doing the work. They know where the bottlenecks are, where the pain points are. They know how work actually gets done in the business. So we're able then to build a picture of kind of what's going on in the business, who's doing what, how data moves, which apps are used, which are not used, all that type of thing. Things which may seem obvious on from, say, an organizational chart, or may seem obvious from an ISO, standing operating procedure document, as one of our clients mentioned. But what they said, and which is absolutely true, is that SOP, that standard operating procedure, has basically a mirror of this is how we do this piece of work. What is missing there is not only the strategic part, but most importantly, is looking at it through the lens of AI and automation. I heard something the other day that said to understand AI now in your business, you need to unlearn everything you know about business. That's how impactful it is. So the work map helps you see from the strategic level, understand how work actually works within the business, why this person can't see the data over here, or why the board can't see the data over here. You then need to factor in the technical aspect of it. So that is what you have, the software, the systems, and things like that. And then most importantly, you need to have the people element. The people are really at the center of this. Where are their gripes? What are they worried about? What are they fearful about with AI? Where could they do with some training? What tools do they need to really gain the benefit of AI and things like that? Put all that together and you get the work map. It gives you a roadmap as to what direction to take, what should be tackled first, whether that's training, whether that's governance, whether that's enablement, whether that's your entire software suite, all those types of things. But it gives you the map of where to go. And just as we are in AI at the moment, in the Wild West, as I said in a previous video, by having a map and having direction and having an understanding of how the land lies, so to speak, it means you're going to get a great implementation in AI. You're going to get the benefits from it, and you're going to be able to move forward in a controlled way and in a safe way that is going to be embraced not just by senior management, but also the people who are doing the work at the moment. Thanks.